Hi guys, thank you for staying tuned with my crochet channel YouTube. Today I want to show you how to make drawstring pouch like this. This is very easy to make and perfect match for you to learn or for new beginner to learn of crochet. You can make it as much as you want and make it as a gift for your friend or Mother's Day or whatever event that you want. Without wasting your time, let us start it. In this tutorial, I use 4-ply yarn with young green and also the second yarn with the ginger colors, and also I use 3.5 mm of my hook. I use scissors to cutting my remaining yarn and also marker like this, and then needle for hiding remind yarn. Let us make a slip knot like this. Okay, and then make 70 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. To start first row, just skip 2 chain here, this one, and walk from the third chain. Make a double crochet here. Say, put your marker here. Now you will walk for 13 loops until here. Just leave one here. Make for each of them double crochet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now for the last stitch here, this one, make 3 double crochet here. 1, now we just complete the side here. We will walk for the another side here. So you will walk for 13 again in here and leave the last stitch here. Okay, Now make 13 double crochet. So this is not your first stitch, and this one is your first stitch for this one. So work from this one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we already complete for 13 double crochet. Now for this last stitch, we will work for 2 double crochet here. This one, and 2. And then slip stitch to the first double crochet here. This one. Okay, now you just complete your first row, and this is the form of the first row. Now we work for the second row. Add 2 chain here. Okay, now make double crochet. Skip this one. Okay, skip this one because we count it as we count this as a double crochet. Skip this and work from here. So you should have 32 of double crochet for each of this one for this cycle. Put your marker again. Make sure you don't miss the first double crochet position. Move to the next. And then move again and just continue to make double crochet for each loop like this. I already in the last stitch here. Now make a slip stitch again. Here, put in your marker before, and this is the second row loop. And now make a 2 chain, and then skip this one and move to the next loop. Just repeat this pattern until you got 10 rows. And I will be back when I already completed my 10 rows of my drawstring here. This is my third row. This is my fourth row. This is my 5th row. This is my 6th row. This is my 7th row. This is my 8th row. This is my 9 rows, and I need 1 row more. Already in my 10 row here. As you see, usually in the previous row, I always make a slip stitch to the first double crochet here. But in this last rows, I don't need to make a slip stitch. I will cut this yarn, and I will sew that. Now, put your yarn like this. Okay. Bring your needle, put it like this. Okay, take your marker, and now I make a slip stitch with a sewing version. Okay, pull your yarn, and then look at this. There is a 2, right? But in here still 1, and I will put it this one. Okay. The look is more good with this, and then the remaining yarn you need to hide it to the back side like this. So make sure it is not easy to pull. Your drawstring more tight, and after you thought it's already good to hide it, just cut your yarn like this. Now we already complete for the bounce, but we need the string like this one, and I will use this yarn color so it's matched with this one. Just leave 5 or 6 centimeters like this and make a slip knot. Okay, this, and then make 45 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Continue chaining until you get 45 chain. Already complete my 45 chain here. Now just pull your yarn like this, and then cut your yarn. Just remain for 5 to 6 centimeters like this. Okay, we need to make another one chain. this is the another one chain. So you have two string for this one. Usually for this string, you make sure this is the multiply of the width of your pouch, like this. Okay, now I will attach the string to here. Put your yarn like this, and pass it. In the another side, bring your pouch like this. Okay, we work in this the second from the above. So this is the first, and we work from this one, second. Okay, just fold it like this, and then bring it like this. Okay, and now I hide it again like this. Okay, skip to double crochet here, move again, chain it, skip to, see again. So just make sure you already pull your yarn here. Just leave some of the string here. This is the loop for one string. Now we will work for the another string to the another side here. So you only have one side here, and we need to make another side. So just work from this one. So we work the first time we work from here. Now we work from here. Put it from this one, and leave your string, some of the string here, and then just follow this. Now your my drawstring already finished. Just keep like this, pull the yarn, and this is already working out. So this is the tutorial of how to make a simple and easy drawstring. Here, I hope this tutorial very useful for you. If you like it, just click thumb in below, and don't forget to subscribe here to get my new tutorial in the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.